Hello, Alex's EDC Army, and welcome to Alex's Knives and Such, where the such stands for EDC gear. Today, I want to do a new series on my channel here. We're going to call it, What Am I Flipping? It could be multiple times a week, it could be one time a week, but it's going to be mostly weekly. And I'm going to show you what am I fidgeting with, or flipping. Today, what I'm flipping is Kizer Mini Roach. There's a flipper tab which you can take off the scales and take off the flipper tab if you so want to. That'll be a flipper delete. But I like it both ways, so. And you got thumb hole, reverse thumb, reverse flick. Failing on that. And you can see the Kizer logo. You can see the steel, which is 154 cm. Green G10 honeycomb pattern. And it is OD green, actually. And then you can get like pieces in there, so you got to get the thin needle or something and get it out, but it'll be okay. Centering is on point. Back spacer jammed. Flipper tab is jammed. Back of the spine of the blade is jammed. One-way clip tip up right only. Let's see if it's milled out. I don't usually show this, but we can. It's milled out on top. You see that? Okay. And this again is the Kizer Mini Roach. That's what I am flipping. Let me know what you think of this Kizer Mini Roach in the comment section below. And if you have one, how does it work for you? Like, comment, share, subscribe, even dislike. Have a great day, be safe. Subscribe to my channel for more to come. Enjoy the hobby. Hopefully get something good, decent. Collect what you like. Be safe. Look out for the guy, girl to your left. Look out for the guy, girl to your right. Hashtag be up. Hashtag DSKFS. Choose love, not hate. Enjoy your family, your friends, your yummy food, your music, your video games. And remember to use your sharp blades. Bye.